Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. Want to say a massive happy Christmas to everybody. I hope you're all having a lovely day. I have got this Christmas gift to thank you all basically for your amazing support over this year. I know that I've said this loads of times, but honestly, you guys have changed my life. You know, I've said before, I've never had a job that I absolutely loved ever before. So I feel truly blessed to be now finally doing something that I love so much and to have met such wonderful, talented, kind people. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. So I have produced some background papers and they are available to download on my website. That's www.shabbydabbydoodah.co.uk, and obviously links will be below in the video description. And I have also produced a project because I know that obviously this year with the pandemic and things, you know, not everyone is able to get together with loved ones. Not everyone is able to have the Christmas that they're planned or maybe hoped for, or, you know, possibly even just normally do. So I've put together a project using the background pages. I think I've pretty much used everything that is available for free on my website. The only things that you are going to need in addition are maybe some lace and some book pages, and then, you know, glue and things. So all of the papers that I've used, I'm pretty sure are all freebies from my website. So I would absolutely love it if you are, you know, kind of on your own this Christmas, or, you know, not having the Christmas that you'd obviously anticipated. I would absolutely love for you to join me in the craft along. I have, as I say, done a complete project, and the project, I will put all the videos up on Christmas Day so that we can hopefully have, you know, really a lot of fun together doing the whole thing. I think that's kind of everything really. So yeah, it just kind of comes down to say really happy Christmas to everybody. Grab some chocolates, grab something yummy to eat, you know, something nice to drink, and yeah, let's just have a really lovely time crafting along, and hopefully by the end of today you will have something absolutely lovely to look at and to hold and to, you know, either keep hold of or part with. You know, your choice is yours, but hopefully we will have a lot of fun doing it. So lots of love and best wishes to everybody. Happy Christmas, and yeah, thank you so much again to you all for your just amazing support this year. So thank you so much, and I will be uploading obviously the videos for the project now, so you know, if you want the papers, they're on my website. So thank you so much then everyone, have a great one, bye.